Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Man, I swear going through a divorce, it's the worst thing ever. Kesana. So Annelise Njangana YouTuber, she is married to Uluthando Jangana, and they are getting divorced. The Baguma process in divorce. Uluthando and Annelise will have 2 kids together, 2 beautiful girls, and they were so much in love, man. Or I can say ukuthi Annelise bekamthanda man, umyeni wakhe besibona nje nakuma vlogs ukuthi qha ugirl uyamthanda, guys, like genuinely so uyamthanda. So uguy vele bekaluka umuntu lohlala trender for cheating on Annelise maside chick amthuka, like it was just a lot, it was just a drama kesana. And you could see ukuthi the husband like didn't respect to Annelise because ngisho noma thola like he would continue cheating with another person ve umuntu alotithandzelako decade. So people were only talking about that man ukuthi yo indoda Annelise indoda Annelise uyachitha. So awuhamba yoshare le post lena laphana ku Instagram story yakhe. It's a marriage is a humiliation, a ritual kusho Annelise lapha ku Instagram, guys. So most people felt sorry for her ukuthi man shem kubhlunga ngendlela, but mina I think ukuthi shame decision la yendile Annelise ayuk divorce amyeni, like it was the best decision. I swear it was the best decision ever. I've never been proud of a stranger ngalendlela, guys, because yo dinintigemegementalo butile bestiva ngaye. Yes, bro unemali, right, like he's financially stable, unema business akhe, but impatho ke treatment ke isidima sa Annelise ke, like he just didn't care about that. Uke washo na Annelise on a live ukuthi lo guy like he would go for mantombatane abo Instagram. Imagine influencers bantu bokuthi they know Annelise and then uyabadi Annelise ahamba humiliate or uthi why bekangajoli mantombatane just random girls ahlangana nawo tetradini or lahlangana nawo noma kuphi. Why aloku asoma abantu ashela abantu kuma DM kubo Instagram amboksa kabi ngebantu phela. That time people know ukuthi lena indoda Annelise hayi indoda Annelise it's DMing me yabo nje njalo uthi it was a humiliation nje bekubhlungu endlela lesimanga kuningi futhi bekedelele ku that marriage, but finally uyapuma and guys, there's so much lemele lo girl. She's beautiful, she's still young, there's still a bright future ahead of her. So I'm really proud of her. I'm really proud of the decision yokuthi, you know what, I am done. You know what, this is not the end of the world. The thing is, bantu bahlala kuma marriage langa 70 because they are scared ukuthi, oh my man, what are people gonna say? Batuthini bani, batuthi mabuye kwenzeni nani. But this is your life. At the end of the day, ngusha wena. And it's true when they say sicatula slimatabani mnikati. So like we cannot think about people, man. Skati asikho, life is so short. Let's be happy. Let's do things. Let it jabulisa thina instead of always thinking guti what are people gonna say? Siphilele bantu. I am sending love and light to you, Annelise. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. So goodbye.